Do you have a WordPress website? Here's a cool trick for using the Yoast SEO plugin to designate social media graphics for when you share links to your pages and blog posts on Facebook and Twitter. Hi, I'm Allison Kessler, and I help heart-centered entrepreneurs with their holistic website design needs in WordPress. For more website design and WordPress tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. When you use this method to create separate graphics for both Twitter and Facebook for your web pages and posts in WordPress, your preview links will be guaranteed to look amazing in Facebook and Twitter when you share them. You won't have to worry about your graphics getting cut off or being deformed when you or someone else shares a link from your website. So as you can see, I posted my blog post to my Facebook page, and the graphic turned out the perfect size for Facebook at 1200 by 630 pixels. And then you can see that I also posted it to Twitter, which requires a different sized image for your blog posts at 1024 by 512 pixels. And you can see that it's perfectly formatted on Twitter as well. So you log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Posts and edit one of your posts, which I will do right now. And then you scroll down to the Yoast SEO section, and you'll see that there's a third tab here called Social. You click on that Social tab, and then you'll see that there's two tabs under Social called Facebook and Twitter. And here you can actually designate a completely different title and a completely different description for your page just for use on Facebook. And you can upload a brand new Facebook image using the recommended size of 1200 by 630 pixels. Likewise, on Twitter, you can do the same thing. You can put a new Twitter title and page description just for Twitter and upload. The recommended size for Twitter is 1024 by 512 pixels. And then you update your page. And that's how you know that when you post a link to your post, your blog post, article, or page onto Facebook or Twitter, the graphics are going to be the perfect size. And that's how you use the free version of the Yoast SEO plugin with your WordPress website to designate the right sized graphics for your pages and posts when you share them on Facebook and Twitter. If you liked this video, hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great tips about WordPress websites. Thanks for watching.